8 AM, shout out, good morning. Miss Sky, morning Sisi, good morning. Di ba si Sky hindi ko makuha sa lapi? Kailangan ko talaga siyang Kailangan ko talaga siyang i-upgrade muna. Off mo, oo si Sunday. Lola, tot nasan ka na? Ibaba mo yung kay Kuya James, tot na bago. Sa short ba yon? Kuya James, tot mag-ano kayong video? Wala kang video, panay shorts. Kuya James, tot. Salamat sis Ann. Walang ano man Kuya James, tot. B Sky. Lola, nasa na yung link ni Kuya to? Yung bang bago? Yung Jimmy? O, itong pinanonood ko. Volkswagen Quarter Repair. Meron siya video sa second channel. Teka lang, tapusin ko to. Puntahan ko yun. Thank you for watching. Puntahan ko muna si Idol Joey, yung bahay. Meron siya video sa second channel. Morning working. Tapusin ko muna kay Kuya Joey. Tapos puntahan ko yung Lola, baba mo yung kay Kuya Joey. Watching ng video mo, Kuya Joey. May init na parang magsa-summer na. Sis Ann, do you have kids? Yes, I have it. 1,000. I have 1,000 kids. Init? No, it's only 3 kids. I have 1 girl and 2 boys. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Sky. Good night, sweet and spicy. Nice to see you on Toray. Lights out. See you soon. Thank you so much, Brian, for visiting my live. Oh, good. Good. So happy for you. Yes. My youngest daughter, she's already 13. And then the older one is 21. 21 years old. Idol Joey, still watching your video. Parang gusto ko nang magkape Yes, yes. No baby now. No baby, all kids. Six